Traditional Bangladeshi Chapris or Chapti are really savory pancakes made of rice flour. Our twist to this age-old recipe is the addition of split black gram, better known as urad dal. Each bite of chapri has a zest of onion, cilantro as well as green chilies present in it. Chapris are satisfying weekend brunch items and are great weekday breakfast as well. We are sharing the basic chapri recipe today, but tap into your imagination and feel free to add any type of grated vegetables and spices to get your serving of flavorful veggies with breakfast, brunch or even lunch. Do remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you find this video interesting and look forward to more such culinary videos in future. Let's get started. our chaptis are done. You can have it with any kind of bharta, sabji, meat delicacy, or even in its crudest form. If you find this video interesting, then please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about more such Hunger Games culinary videos in future. Thanks for watching.